Hi guys, it's Eva. Man, I fell in love with this color when I saw it. I was at the Dollar Tree earlier and I just had to pick it up. I actually picked up another color, but I wanted to do a manicure with this one. You can see how pretty it looks in the bottle. You almost get the same effect on the nails itself. This is a Revlon polish and it's called High Roller, number 450. And I've got 2 coats on right now. I want to go ahead and stamp, of course, using my Ejiubas plate. It's EJB-07, this one right here. I'm using two images today, these two right here. And we're gonna do a little bit of hit the bottle. This one is called Plumer. And this is Spun Gold, I believe. Yeah, Spun Gold. So we're gonna go ahead and start stamping. I'm using my Ejiubas stamper. This is the clear jelly stamper. It does pick up really well, and I will link the information in the description box for where you can purchase this from if you guys want to go ahead and try it. It did come in a set of 3 and it was really cheap. Like I said, it's really good quality. You'll love it. You'll see what I mean. You see what I mean? You'll see what I mean. Oh my god. I love those 2 colors together. Let's try Call the Plumber now. That was my fault. I missed some of the image, so I didn't pick up, but I think this will be fine. No, you know what? Let's do that again. I don't want to mess it up. All right, just clean up the plate. And let's do that again. Scrape. There you go. Oh my god, I love this color. There you go. How does that look? Awesome, no? Alright, let's clean both of these images. I'm gonna do another nail for you guys. And then I'll stamp the rest and come back and show you guys the finished look. Anybody out there have the stamping plate from Ejiubas? I love the idea of how they came out with doing double-sided like stamping on their plate. I think it's awesome. I don't know of any other company that has that. I think it's pretty cool. You don't have to press hard either to pick up these images. It's really good quality, the stamping plate and the stamper itself. So I'm going to go ahead, like I said, finish up with the design and come back soon.